Today's video is basically for all of those who can't afford premium tools to go and track single ranking factors. What basically they are doing, they don't have budget for backlinks. The clients who are they working with, which are not allowing them to invest more budget in the links and in the content also. If you are facing the same situations, you are not allowed to go and test the various things like backlinks, the PRs, CTR. Still, there are many ways how you can go and rank your profile in this circumstance. Basically, in today's video, I'm going to show you the 5 exact steps which I was used to do from my beginning, and they are relevant after all these algorithm changes from the Google, and most of the people they are always let you know that these things are not working. You just need some advanced strategies. Until your foundational stuff is not done, whatever you are doing which comes under the advanced strategies is not going to work for your profile. So the first one is you need to place service and area name in your business name. I searched for a keyword which is AC Repair Houston. If you go and look at the order may be different, but some of the top profiles they are ranking organically. You will identify they have the exact name, they have the Houston in the name, they have the AC in the name. Let's go to the next one. Again, they have the Houston and the air conditioning related to the AC repair. Again, this profile is ranking because of the proximity where I am doing my search. But most of the profiles, if you want some immediate ranking, let's say 24 hours ranking, if you want to grab this kind of rankings, you just need to ask your client to file a DBA. If he's not allowing you to invest budget, to just work with that client for more time and win the trust, you just need to ask him to file a DBA and change the name of the current business and make the name of your business, which is keyword and the service area reached. Perfect. The second method is you need to change the business categories. For us, we are using the same example here. If I show here, most of the top competitors, their primary business category is HVAC contractor, HVAC contractor, HVAC contractor. If you look at here, they have HVAC contractor, again HVAC contractor, again HVAC contractor. So all of these top 3 profiles, they are having HVAC contractor as their primary business category. So how we can identify their categories? So you can use the tool, freemium tool. You can use it as a free also. If you go to this tool, you will identify which is the best suitable category for your current services. To just identify the services, you can go to the screen, look at all the services here. All of like most 5-7 services are serving by your client in that particular service area. You can identify this business category as your primary category. Keep supporting that primary category is not only the one thing. The categories are always work in the combination. So along with the primary business category, you need to identify top 2 or top 3 business categories which are aligned with your primary business categories, and they are helping you to expand the services basically. So in this HVAC contractor case, I'll prefer to go with all of the categories which has more than 15% of occurrence according to this tool. I'm using this tool for last 3-4 years. Every time when I select all the categories which has around 15% occurrence minimum, it helped me to get the best ranking. So I am also recommending the same thing for all of you. Let's go to the third method, which is you need to relocate your business towards to city centroid base. And this is the most common technique which is used by SEO agencies. If I search for AC Repair Houston, if you can see here, this business and these 3, 4, 5 businesses which are nearby the Houston city centroid, which will start ranking much higher compared to all of these businesses which are far away from your like all of these businesses. They are like the distance from city centroid to these businesses is literally more than to all of these businesses. So in that case, if you can get a location nearby to this city, nearby to the city centroid according to the Google map, it will definitely boost your rankings when someone search for AC repair and then they are using the area. Google Maps is always show you results according to the proximity. So if your business is located nearby the main city, the chances are very high that you will have the better chances of ranking on the top of the maps. Even you don't have that much reviews, even your profile is new, or even if your profile don't have that much authority compared to the top ranking profiles. That's the competitive edge just by reallocating your business nearby, like towards to the city center. The fourth method is, if you look at here, the top ranking profiles, all they have reviews, 1500 reviews, almost 5000 reviews, 9000 reviews, almost 500 reviews. So how you can get more reviews? So every business, if they are into the business for last 4 to 5 years, they have a huge list of customers they already served, but they never ask them to give them a review. Right now, I highly prefer to get the review for all the platforms you are using basically. So if you are using Yelp, if you are using House Pro, if you are using NG, if you are using Trustpilot, Facebook page, GBP, your GBP profile, just create a link, simply create a simple link and get the reviews for all of the platforms. In case your profile gets suspended in any time in future, you still have the authority. So you spend a lot of money to get the reviews, you provide like 10-20% of discounts, and then let's say you have like you gather 500 reviews in last 2 years, and now suddenly your profile got suspended, and the chances, and Google said they are not able to re-verify your profile, or they are not able to reactivate your profile. In that case, if you from the day one, if you start getting reviews for Yelp, for NG, for other third-party aggregators, you still have all of the reviews. You can get a new GBP profile, but your authority will be the same, right? You are not out of the business like overnight. And the last and the fifth one method, which is like somehow helping me to get the best result, and which is I have never seen this method usually on anywhere on the internet. I'm just telling you that I found this method helpful, and also it boosts my engagement. It boosts my profile CTR. What you can do is, so let's say every business has so let's say you are serving almost 15-20 areas. Go to the page, the location page. By the way, you don't need to implement this strategy on the home page. It's only for location pages. So let's say I am on this location page, which is named by the colony. On this page, what I need to do is, instead of the generic reviews which I got from my GBP profile, I just write down some random UGC content here. They would be the legit one, but on my location pages, I try to keep my content as much as semantically relevant to the city, to the area I'm talking about, basically. So let's say if you don't have any reviews for this area you are serving, you are talking, let's say for addition, you don't have any reviews, I recommend you to go and create some reviews from the addition also. Just write it down if you don't have any of them on the GBP profile. Your website is your own property. You can go and do that. And the second part is, just go and do as much as descriptive you can be. Just try to be as much as descriptive you can be. If I showed you here, look at here how long they got the reviews. The next part, keep mentioning the services, keep mentioning the cities, keep mentioning the neighborhoods, landmarks, zip codes you are offering in the particular edition area, and then try to add some trust words in the reviews. Obviously, they are the UGC content that you don't have the original reviews on your profiles, but you can have all the reviews on your web. I have seen many of my pages or many of the other clients' pages, they get the best benefits from just adding the UGC content. I have seen this method on some of my old client webs. I don't know how did they go and edit all the reviews, but they did change the reviews. Suddenly the locations will start getting rankings, and when I go and do the investigation, I found they made some changes in the reviews. They don't it was out of box thing for me too also, but I found this thing interesting, and then we start doing for literally most of the clients, and it's a good thing to implement these kind of methods on your website. So hopefully you got some ideas which you don't need to pay the money. These are in your you are in under 100%. All of these 5 things are 100% controllable by you. You can go and do all of these things anytime. And then if you have any strategies which are you want to share with me, just drop a comment. You can reach out to me on the Facebook also. If you really enjoyed the content of this video, don't forget to like the video, share this video with all of your friends. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. It really helped me to get some some motivations, and I can keep putting out a lot more content so that it can be helpful for all of you from the different parts of the world. And we are done with the video. Let's see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.